Hello everyone. So if you are a student who has completed your biology syllabus and wants to revise the things, this video is not for you. This video is for those students who has yet to start their biology syllabus and you are dreaming to score 360 out of 360 in biology. Now, let me tell you one thing that now this 360 out of 360 in biology is not only your dream, it has become your necessity. Why? Because it's very impractical to start studying physics now and getting 180 out of 180 or getting 180 out of 180 in chemistry. Why? Because this physics and chemistry, if you are at zero level, max to max you can go to 120 to 150. That too with lots and lots of hard work. But if I ask you about the case of biology, so you can easily go to 360 marks. So let me tell you one thing that today is what? Today is the 7th of December. And if I talk about from now, approximately you are left with around 140 days for your NEET examination. And if I talk about this 140 days, and you're gonna waste these 140 days, then you should start preparing for NEET 2025. But if you are a serious student and if you want to crack NEET and if you want to have a doctor tag in 2024 only, then this video is for you. So listen to me very carefully. In biology, scoring 360 out of 360 marks is very easy. How you have to do? First of all, let me discuss a very valid point with you. We have some of the chapters like genetics, right? Next, we have some of the chapters like biotechnology. Okay. These genetics and biotechnology are what? They are the high weighted chapters. And if I talk about some more chapters, like we have the plant physiology, and similarly we have the human physiology. So these are what? These are the units, these are the chapters which are what? Which are gonna give maximum question to you. So start preparing, start practicing these chapters. How you have to do it, sir? First of all, make a plan. Not make a plan like till May I will complete the biology. Everyone is doing that. Make a small plan. Suppose that you are going to start studying from 10th of December. So 10th of December to 15th of December, make a plan that you will be completing the genetics portion. Number one thing, you will be completing the genetics one. Second, you make a plan that you will be completing biotechnology. And once you have completed this genetics and biotechnology portion, what you have to do? You just don't have to leave them. You have to practice for the test. Yes or no? Give a test, give a small test just for biotechnology, just for genetics. And if you're giving small tests, what is going to happen? You will be able to recognize that, okay, in genetics, I am not able to solve the questions from mutations. In biotechnology, I am not able to solve the questions from downstreaming process. So you will be able to identify these things. Okay, so in 10 days, in 5 days, make a plan. 5 days, 10 days, you make a plan and you follow those plans. So in this way, you will be able to complete much chapters in December only. So in December, try to complete the human physiology as discussed. Try to complete the plant physiology as discussed. Try to complete the genetics. These all of the things is going to help you to score around 100 marks. Now we are left with what? We are left with 260 marks. Now, this 260 marks, how we have to score? See, by reading NCERT and by preparing, by completing all of your syllabus, I can't guarantee you that you will able to score 360 marks, right? To score perfect 360 marks, what we need to do is that we need to revise. But here, we don't have a time for revision now, sir. So what I'm going to suggest you that is you should start revising simultaneously. How is it even possible to revise simultaneously? Yes, it is very much possible. And how you can do it? So suppose you have planned to study for 16 hours a day That's not possible initially, right? So let's suppose that you have started to plan 8 hours a day, and in this 8 hours, you have thought to dedicate 3 hours to biology. And in this 3 hours, what you have to do is that 2 hours you do the new chapter, and 1 hours also you divide it. 30 minutes you're going to do take it from for the revision, and the another 30 minutes you are going to take for question practice. This is how you can prepare your biology in a very smart manner. So now this thing is not the, it's now your need, because if you're not going to score 360 out of 360 marks in biology, you won't be able to crack NEET because you have the physics and chemistry. And if your biology is not prepared, I'm damn sure your physics and chemistry is also not well prepared. So for the physics and chemistry, I will suggest some things in some other videos.